Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can upload video on the Facebook group. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Facebook and you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then click on groups and then click on your group, and here select your group and then scroll down. Here you will see write something. Click on it and then you will see photo and video. Click on it and then choose the video which you want to upload on the group. So after that you will see post. Click on it. So you can see that my post will be uploading. So you can see the video which I have uploaded on the Facebook. Here, this is the video. So in this way, you can upload video on the Facebook group. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.